What's up, Gokhali Broad Prison? This is your with TMZ guys, and so as our journey is amazing, we're going to Hatta, so we have very handsome gentleman here.
Who's the driver?
Me.
We are making for him drive.
Yeah, and I'm SHIVA bro, and Mr. KHEM behind me, and yes, khatra guys, trust me, keep watching, I think I came after a long time, it's been very long time. 2 years ago, vlogging hope it's gonna be nice, and yes, we will have a lot of fun, keep watching guys. So guys, hamro Mr. KHEM, he wake up by I think 5 o'clock at the morning, and we have ready chana, very special mithu chana banako cha, and fresh avocado juice also, recipe milk, banana, dates ityadi hola hai. So let's guys enjoy. This is Mr. SHIVA, he's a most lazy boy. And I'm looking just like breakfast ready. Myself, mother ready to guys, we're ready to go. So I'm using camera DSLR Nikon D7000 for the photo shoot. Our journey begins here guys, so we start going to take Hatta pugnalai 1 hour 32 minutes lagnes. Our destination will be Hatta, and we'll have a lot of fun guys. So guys, the most important thing in the morning is tea, a cup of tea. Amazing.
I found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars.
What's up guys? So damn amazing, damn background, amazing guys. Mountains and very beautiful mountains. Love you guys. So we're having a lot good time guys, damn maza guys.
Photo.
Do you guys pasadiको mountains damn is
Where are we? Where are we?
I don't know. Kata chha
Hatta.
Are yaar, we're very nearby Hatta guys, so our destination is very close,
30 kilometers more.
30 kilometers more to drive, and then we will have a nice amazing destination. I mean, so I'm photos khichdaichu guys, we're gonna have some photo session, and then yes.
Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk.
Huh?
Okay. The dam closed. So guess what guys? Actually, I mean 6:30 ma start गरेको journey. हाम्रो planning to reach Hatta, but unfortunately close भएको अवस्था. But anyway, we have a great plan, everything happened for reason, हामीले plan गर्दै छ कहाँ जाँदै छौं हामी? Al Fakkan हैन त? Al Fakkan. So it is located in Fujairah, so जुन हाम्रो traveling थियो कति distance हामी travel 6:30 मा start गरेको. So basically yeah, त्यो 150 हो नि त, 150 किलो 150 kilometer we travel. We still more to go, same 150 हो नि त, to reach the के नाम Khor Fakkan. Strange names. And our driver पुरा थकित भएको अवस्था है guys. So but it's still going on, and yes, we have a same high excitement guys, so yes, and keep watching, we'll enjoy more guys, trust me.
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe.
कति मजा आइरहेछ यार. अब मैले मजा आइरहेछ. अब एक्साइटमेन्ट छ गाडी चलाउनुमा मलाई.
अब के आउँछ? अब यो गाडी के आउँछ?
एक्साइटमेन्ट सरप्राइज जस्तो लागिरहेछ के.
Looks like a valley guys, यार जस्तै देखिरहेको छ टक्क माउन्टेन्सको बीचमा.
माउन्टेन तोडेर उता घर बनाइदिन्छ.
माउन्टेन तोडेर घर बनाएर रहेछ,
At the roundabout, take the second exit
it's very
on
nice,
Al-Masal
दामी
Street.
लाग्यो मलाई त. Looks like a valley, हैन त? टक्क भ्याली टाइप. दामी guys. So closer to journey guys, नजिक आइसकेको छ. कति किलोमिटर बाँकी छ guys? 8 किलोमिटर बाँकी छ exactly, So yes, very excited. सोचिरहेको छु गाइज हामीले घर बनाउने भनेर होइन साइडमा पाहाडमा हामीले घर बनाउने भनेर सोचिरहेको छु होइन साइडमा It's just a joke guys होइन So yeah, keep watching Guys, guess what? समुद्र आएछ गाइज तेल खाने समुद्र अरे यार खतरनाक
देख्यो
Dam on the left side, yeah. So slowly we are going.
पुरा वेदर हेर चिसो आफ्नै पाराको छ चिल यार
Here we go, waterfall, guys. Yes, nice. Guys, finally we're here, na? Amazing, beautiful waterfall. अरे हामी पुरा मुडमा छौँ है हैन त
Fujairah, it's called dam. It's not natural. It's artificial flow of dam. You can see just through them.
अनि हामी पुरा फुल एक्साइटमेन्टमा भाइसको छौँ गाइज होइन पछाडि हाम्रो छ समुद्र होइन विथ द माउन्टेन
And now we are going to dive.
एन्ड वी आर गोइङ टु डाइभ दामी रमाइलो हुन्छ गाइज होइन वाचिङ लाइफ इज रक्स अमेजिङ ब्युटिफुल
That I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car. We passed out counting stars.
Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here.
Try to replace you with somebody
Are you enjoying? Of course, man. Who will not enjoy this Fujairah beach?
अरे यार Sir, please take your dip. Now, time to eat, guys. Yeah, we have some French fry. Oh, spicy, amazing. And here we go. Very big man eating burger.
Big burger.
Big burger. Angus burger. I'm sort of chicken. I have also same guys, no? So yeah guys, amazing time, we enjoyed Dami, Khor Fakkan ठाउँको नाम चाहिँ होइन एकदम राम्रो रहेछ कता भनेर गएको दामी प्लान क्या किलोमिटर डिस्टेन्समा यो लोकेसन हाम्रो रिकमेन्डेड भयो त्यसैको मान्छे अनि दामी लाग्यो जस्तो माउन्टेन्स अनि सी चिसो हावा अगस्तको महिना पनि होइन चिसो हावा फ्रेस हावा होइन दामी क्या नि यहाँ हेर हाम्रो सोल्टा ब्रोदर्सहरू होइन पुरा थाकेको अवस्था है के छ हल्का भयो
म त ड्राइभर हो यार
अरे यार ड्राइभर बनिसकेको छ यार के गर्नु यार
मेमोरेबल
तर मेमोरेबल भयो रमाइलो भयो
लास्ट दामी
कस्तो भयो रमाइलो
दामी दामी
दामी रमाइलो वान अफ द मोस्ट हाइलाइटेड मेमोरिज अफ आवर लाइफ होइन एन्ड यहाँ लाइफ टाइमको लागि अनफर्गेटेबल गाइज सो या दुबई अराउन्ड युए हुनुहुन्छ भने मस्ट रिकमेन्डेड प्लेस टु ट्राभल होइन स्पेसली आई नट सिजन रिक्वायर्ड इभन होइन यो अगस्तमा पनि यस्तो दामी छ यहाँ भित्र यार शीतल हावा छ होइन सो दिज आवर डेस्टिनेसन गाइज होइन अब स्लोली हामी मुभ अन हुन्छ होइन दुबईको तर्फ सो टिल द्याट टाइम किप वाचिङ गाइज लाइफ इज अमेजिङ गाइज ब्युटिफुल यस दामी डिजे बिहाइन्ड हाम्रो ड्राइभर दाजु म चाहिँ आई डोन्ट हेभ एनी नेम होइन रमाइलो गाइज लाइफ इज अल अबाउट फन इन्जोय रिल्याक्स
इन्जोय भइरहेछ हाम्रो त
अनि डोन्ट थिङ्क अबाउट टुमारो थिङ्क अबाउट टुडे गाइज अल अबाउट प्रेजेन्ट लिभ इन प्रेजेन्ट फर्गेट द पास्ट डोन्ट थिङ्क अबाउट फ्युचर अमेजिङ किप वाचिङ वी आर हेडिङ टु दुबई फ्रम शारजा we are having a lot good time guys and thank you so much for watching guys keep watching
we passed out counting stars.
Promise all these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here.
so yes guys finally it was a really long journey हामी एकदम थाकेको पनि छ होइन ब्रदर पुरा keep focusing driving as always, and हाम्रो behind DJ Mr.
DJ KHEM.
DJ KHEM, yeah. Amazing guys, we enjoyed a lot, and hope you guys like it our video, na. मन पर्यो भने hit the like button and make sure subscribe guys, and see you on next vlog. Keep a smile, stay happy, healthy. Goodbye.